अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम डॉक्टर निम्रा है और आज हम जिस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो केयर एपेक्स फार्मा की एक बहुत मशहूर और बहुत ही इफ़ेक्टिव क्रीम है जिसका नाम है रेविटोन। और इसका जो एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट है वो हम सब का फेवरेट है। सब मॉडल्स उसको बहुत ही ज़्यादा रेगुलरली यूज़ करती हैं और जो लोग भी कंसर्न हैं टू रिवर्स देयर एज वो इसको बहुत ज़्यादा रेगुलरली यूज़ करते हैं। यस, that secret, that worldwide famous secret is retinol. So let's look at the benefits of using this cream or retinol in a good medical grade form. I'm not talking about cosmetic brands that are using the name of retinol to make a few bucks. Okay, first of all, it evens the skin tone and it fades spots, dark spots, and discoloration. So, how does it do it? It does it by increasing the cellular turnover. हमारा जो स्किन का लाइफ साइकिल है वो ऐसे है कि 28 दिन बाद हमारे डेड स्किन सेल्स उतर जाते हैं जो डार्क होते हैं, पिगमेंटेड होते हैं, और न्यू सेल्स उसको रिप्लेस करते हैं। कौन सी स्किन की सबसे सुपरफिशियल लेयर, वो कौन सी लेयर है? स्ट्रेटम कर्नियम, एपिडर्मिस की भी सबसे ऊपर, उसमें जो कर्नियोसाइट्स हैं उन्होंने शेयर ऑफ होना होता है। अब होता क्या है, बिकॉज ऑफ स्लो मेटाबॉलिज्म, एजिंग, ओबेसिटी, हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म एक्सेट्रा, दिस सेलुलर टर्नओवर increases to a time span of up to 40, 48 days, 45 days, which causes accumulation of dead skin cells on the skin, और जिससे discoloration, hyperpigmentation जैसे प्रॉब्लम जो होते हैं वो फिर प्रोड्यूस होते हैं। ठीक है, तो उसके लिए सेलुलर टर्नओवर हम बढ़ा देते हैं बाय यूजिंग अ रेटिनॉल बेस्ड ऑइंटमेंट और क्रीम और सीरम, एंड आई फाइंड दिस रेविटोन इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ones. Okay, secondly, it smooths fine lines, not the coarse wrinkles, just fine lines. For coarse wrinkles, we have Borax. It helps soften early signs of aging. What are early signs of aging? Early signs of aging is laxity of the skin, under eye lines. It helps soften them. I'm not claiming that it will diminish them, like absolutely. It because new cells are more hydrated and plump, so wrinkling and sagging is lessened automatically. As I told you previously, that it increases cellular turnover. Okay, so it's an anti-wrinkle cream as well, but it is not the sole therapy for coarse wrinkle. Thirdly, it refines pores and makes skin look smoother. Pores are a big problem as you age, especially after 25, or you use a lot of makeup, or you have oily skin, and they are very evident in your photographs, especially when you wear makeup. So, pore diminishing or giving you the Korean glass skin appearance is also one of its roles. Okay, it also boosts collagen and keeps skin firm and bouncy. We all know that collagen is the main thing of the skin, and increasing collagen level is the core of all aesthetic industry, right? If collagen is boosted, age is automatically reversed, skin is automatically plump, wrinkles are automatically gone, and skin is tighter, firmer, and younger. And so, of course, almost all problems are solved. Okay, it also supports cellular turnover and reveals fresh new skin cells. The dead skin cells, which are supposed to shed off, are darker and they are functionless. They are not the function of what is the function of corneocyte? To form a barrier. The dead skin cells that have passed their lifespan, they do not they do not perform their barrier function. Okay, because they are dead now. We need active cells which are actively performing, efficiently doing the barrier thing, the barrier function, and we need barrier repair for hydration, for reversing our age or reversing premature aging. Okay, Revitone or any good quality retinol also clears breakouts and prevents clogged pores and acne. Now, reversal of clogged pores was because of increasing cellular turnover. At first, it may cause retinal purge, which is due to increased cell production in the follicular epithelium. सो इट मे कॉज पेशेंट मे कम अप टू यू एंड से कि इससे तो मेरे और दाने आ गए, तो आप उसको बताइए कि ये रेटिनॉल पर्च है। उसके बाद क्या होगा, उसके बाद ये होगा कि सिस्टिक एक्ने स्पेशली, जो कि ट्रीट ही विटामिन ए डेरिवेटिव से ज़्यादा होती है, और वो सब फॉर्म्स ऑफ एक्ने जो जो विटामिन ए डेफिशिएंसी या स्किन एपिथेलियम डिफेक्ट की वजह से है, वो सब इससे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली ठीक हो। आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट दिस इज सोल थेरेपी फॉर ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ एक्ने, but I repeat it again, it's a very good anti-acne agent, and people like me who wear makeup on daily basis and still never ever get a pimple is because I'm a regular user of retinol. And Carepics basically is a medical grade brand. If I go to any a beauty store and buy retinol, it may burn my skin, or it may even cause contact dermatitis. The very important thing, since we talked about contact dermatitis, is that why does contact dermatitis occur? It occurs because we start using retinols in the morning, okay, which increases sun sensitivity. If you're allergic to retinol, then of course you should not use it. If you are trying to conceive within the next 6 months, you're about to get married, you should not use it. If your family is all complete, or you're not trying to get pregnant, or you are single like me, then you can. This is your drug of choice for 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 the best poreless, wrinkleless, plump, hydrated, young skin. Whenever a patient walks to my clinic, I ask him what's my age. Even though they try to flatter me and they try to tell a bit less than my actual age, they still cannot guess my age. It is uh, because of a lot of things, including the use of retinol very, very, very regularly. So whenever the medical reps come, I request them to give retinol to me, this Revitone, especially to me at a discount, because my mother, my family, and everyone, I would like to gift it to them as well. Okay, so today we talked about the benefits of using Revitone cream. I did not name any other brand for retinol because this is the one I trust the most, and I've seen very good results, and I haven't come across any complaint. Always use at night or at least after sunset. Never ever use in daytime, or never ever use when you're trying to conceive, because it is linked to retinols are linked to birth defects in children. So do not use if you're pregnant or trying to conceive. Although it may seem that it is for wrinkles, it is for skin rejuvenation or reverse aging, but it is also a very good remedy, as I told you earlier, for hyperpigmentation, because it increases cellular turnover. The dead dark skin cells, they shed off, and new hydrated, plump, bright cells, they come over the surface. They improve the barrier function of the skin, which they are meant to perform, and they change your appearance a lot as well. That's all from me from today. Okay, now you have to give me feedback on my green hair, because I love dyeing or experimenting with my hair color. I get a new dye every 2 weeks, I had ash blonde sort of balayage, and now uh, it was supposed to be electric blue, but it turned out to be blue green or something like that. So do give me a feedback on my hair. Number one, number two. Also tell me that what topics do you want to listen to about, and what sort of videos do you want to see, and whatever you want to talk to me, I'm all open to your answers. My life is all about my patients and my clinic and my work and my books, and that's it. Thank you for your time and attention. I'm signing off, although I don't want to disconnect with you guys right now. Allah Hafiz.